Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just a quick review video on this Extraguard dryer vent cleaning kit. This is a similar product to another product that I reviewed and did a video a while back called the LintEater dryer vent cleaning kit. It's by Gardus. And it was a great product. And that wasn't a sponsored video, nor is this. That was a product that was loaned to me by a friend to try out, and we made the video. I ended up picking up this one. It looked very similar, and I thought it would work just fine. It doesn't have all the attachments. This just has the main rotary brush, which is what I was after. This has got 12 feet. This has got 6 of these 2-foot rods. This one was a lot cheaper. This is about 15 bucks. And the complete LintEater kit was, I think, $36. So I was just being cheap, I guess, and just went with the cheaper version. Well, here's what happened. It broke. Snapped off right there while using it, and this got stuck in my dryer vent. I had about 3 of these rods in, and I was just taking it out, not even at a high speed in the drill, and this snapped off. This is the little piece that goes in your drill chuck, and this has got the little ball detent instead of the threaded version, which LintEater now makes a version similar to this. They call it the LintEater Pro. So again, I thought when I first started using this, I thought that was great, that these would hold together better and you wouldn't risk them accidentally unscrewing if you accidentally reversed your drill. In this case though, these were a lot harder to take apart. But as you can see, this one did snap off. I don't know if this one was defective or what. Everything was working fine until that happened. But you can imagine the disaster that this could have been if I couldn't reach that. I had a very difficult time because I couldn't fit my hand in through the vent to pull this out. I ended up having to get some little mini pliers, and luckily I was able to still reach the end. Had it fallen down partway, it could have been a really big problem. But because of that, it's just not worth the risk. I'm just going to return this and buy the LintEater version. This seemed to be a good design, but maybe just quality control or some product issue there, or the material just didn't hold up. Really wasn't going too fast or too aggressive with this either. It just snapped right off. Now my friend still has the LintEater version, and he's not too far away. I could simply just go borrow that every time I need it, but I figured instead of bugging him every time, I would just buy my own. That's why I grabbed this one. Unfortunately, this one didn't work out, but I'm going to return it and get the LintEater version. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can see which one I bought here, along with the one that I'm going to replace it with as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.